In this lecture, we are extending our topic of passing variable number of keyword arguments.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
So the program is right now the program is exactly the same as was in the previous lecture, but I will be making some minor changes. Actually, what I am planning to do is I'm going to show you what happens when we people have one or more fixed arguments also. As you can see, right now the program is exactly the same as in the previous lecture. So but now what I am going to do is I am going to have one or more fixed arguments. So for this purpose, let me go in the beginning and let me write var comma double star kw args. That means in place of 2 kw args, you can pass any number of arguments in the form of keys and values, and passing one argument will be at least one argument. Passing at least one argument will be necessary. Okay, so I am going to print this fixed argument. The value of fixed argument is equal to is plus then let me write plus str var. Okay, I forgot to write str. I will be writing it after a while. So see, at the time of calling my function, I have written 100 in the beginning. So that means this value 100 will go into the variable var, and rest of the values, a is equal to America, b is equal to Britain, these are keyword arguments, and of course they will go to kw args, which is being preceded with double star. Okay, so let me execute the program by pressing Ctrl Shift F10. Okay, I forgot to use the str function with var because it happens to be of integer type. It has to be converted into string. Again, press Ctrl Shift F10. Okay, so Ctrl Shift F10. Yes, this is the execution of the program. As you can see, the value of fixed argument is 100 because it was passed as 100, and rest of the values are being printed as they were being displayed in the output of the previous lecture. Okay, so let me call my function again. Now this time over I am writing 1000 as the first fixed argument value, then a is equal to Amritsar, comma k is equal to Kurukshetra, comma c is equal to Chandigarh. Okay, so now the number of keyword arguments are 3 apart from the first fixed argument 1000. In the previous case there was one fixed argument 100 and there were 4 keyword arguments. Now after executing the program, you can see the result. The value of fixed argument is 1000 and rest of the values, a is the key value Amritsar, k is the key value, a is the key and value is Amritsar, k is the key and value is Kurukshetra, c is the key and value is Chandigarh.